Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Dogecoin from Ledger Nano X to Gemini in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will help you move your Dogecoin securely and efficiently. Whether you're cashing out or swapping assets, let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X set up and your Gemini account ready. Start by connecting your Ledger device to your computer using the USB cable. Once it's plugged in, unlock your Ledger with your PIN and open the Dogecoin app on the device. This is crucial for secure transactions. Next, head over to your Gemini account on your web browser or app. Navigate to the deposit section for Dogecoin. Gemini will generate a unique wallet address for you. Copy this carefully, as it's your destination for the transfer. Double-check that it's for Dogecoin to avoid any mistakes. Now, back on your Ledger, go to the Dogecoin app and select the option to send Dogecoin. Enter the amount you want to transfer, then paste in the Gemini wallet address you copied. Take a moment to review everything: the amount, the address, and any fees involved. Remember, in 2025, transaction fees might fluctuate based on network congestion, so keep an eye on that. Once you're confident, confirm the transaction on your Ledger device. You'll need to physically press the buttons to approve it for added security. After that, sit back and wait for the blockchain to process it. Dogecoin transactions are usually quick, but it could take a few minutes to an hour. A quick tip: always verify the wallet address by comparing it character by character to prevent hacks. Also, ensure your Ledger firmware and Gemini app are up to date for the latest security features. That's it for the steps. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2025 crypto guides. Drop a comment if you have questions, and let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. See you in the next video.